Have you ever gone on a trip with a friend and came back frenemy? That's what it looks like on this one. Come on with me. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnny. You're now connected with Johnny Girl 609. I'd like to thank you all so much for joining me today. I got to give that special shout out to our latest member, Texas Last. Thank you for coming a member. You know I already got to do it. My members, the people that hit that super things, that super chat, the ones that hit that like button, y'all share, y'all subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Thank you so very much for joining me. Thank you for supporting the channel. Have you ever gone on a trip and the trip went fine? Y'all had a good old grand time before you can get back? Y'all frenemies. What happened? Did y'all have a fight in the car? Did y'all not like it? One person wanted to go to a restaurant. The other one didn't want to go there. You wanted to go to the beach. That one wanted to go see the mountains. What's going on? I don't know. I want to know if y'all have ever experienced anything like this. I don't know, but we about to get into this video and we about to find out how that does happen. Come on, let's check out the video.
I want you to take your hands off of me. I just asked you to get off, and you're not listening. Get off!
Today, on Uncovered, watch this drunk woman lose her mind after her friend refuses to get in her car with her young child.
Nobody touched me. Nobody touched me.
Excuse me. Ma'am, don't resist. Do not resist.
Excuse me, but you can't touch me. Listen. Let go. Let go. Do not resist. Let go. Please let go.
Ma'am, do not make this photo. Ma'am.
Excuse me, I know my rights. Why am I under arrest?
Under arrest. Alright, you hold her up, pull her up. Yeah. I'll pull it up here.
Excuse me. Why am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest?
Because you're disorderly resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm asking. I'm
You're
talking.
resisting. You're refusing the handcuffing. That's called resisting. Alright?
But why am I under arrest?
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct because I'm having a conversation with
No,
my
you're
friend?
screaming out here, cursing and yelling.
Cursing.
Acting in a fighting manner.
Okay.
What's the deal? What's going on?
Because my friend wanted to go home and I'm trying to talk to her and say, like, hey, let's get in the car, and I'm not trying to be a bad friend, so I'm waiting for her. Nobody is disorderly conduct, nothing is touching me. I don't know why I'm under arrest. I don't understand why I'm under arrest. Can I have my phone?
Where is it?
It's in the car. I'm on my, right there. I'm talking to my boyfriend.
Talk to your friend.
I'm gonna stand right here. I'm right now.
I'm gonna get your phone. You can't have your phone with you right now. I'm gonna go get it and put it in the front seat of the car.
The deputies attempt to place the suspect in the vehicle. However, she refuses to cooperate in any manner.
Nobody's telling me why I'm under arrest. No, it's not in disorderly conduct. Nobody touched you. Nobody was screaming. Nobody was saying anything. Okay. Well, can I get my phone? I want my phone. I want my phone now. So go get my phone. No, I'm not sliding in the phone. I'm asking for my telephone so I can call. My boyfriend is on the phone. Let me talk to him.
Okay, just please go back in the vehicle.
I understand what you're saying.
I know.
I understand what you're saying. But no, I'm not. I want my phone. Because I'm sitting here, I'm listening to you.
I just love their demands. I love the. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to say what I want to say. I know my rights, but I don't understand why I'm under arrest. This is not disorderly conduct. This is not disorderly conduct. That is my friend, and I just yell at my friend all the time. And okay, I forgot. They know it all.
under arrest. You're resisting
No,
arrest.
I'm not. I'm not.
Then slide into the car. It's the last
Sir.
time I'm going to tell you.
Sir.
That is the last time I'm going to tell you. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Let go of me.
Get into the car.
No.
Slide back. You are resisting arrest.
I want my phone.
You are resisting
my
arrest.
phone.
Slide into the car.
I want my phone.
Do you need help?
Please let go of me.
No, I'm not going to let go.
Please let go. Let go. I just.
Get into the car.
No.
Whoa, baby.
While the deputies attempt to get the suspect under control, an officer speaks to her friends in order to learn more about the situation.
What's going on?
Okay, before we get into what's going on, we saw her just on trying to get pulled into the car. How did she wind up on the ground? Now, I don't know. We missed that whole part. I wasn't expecting that. Now let's find out what the hell is going on.
Hold on. We came down here with her. She left us at the beach. She left us at the boardwalk. So we walked up here. My friend got sick. We walked up here to get something to eat. She was here at the Wawa. So we were just standing here. We waiting for an Uber. I have him actually on the phone. We standing here. So she said, I said, you're intoxicated. Just let me drive home because I have my son. And she said, no, this is my car. This is my license. Da-da-da-da-da. I said, fine. But I'm not letting you drive home intoxicated with my son. He got sick. So
Who's got the keys to her car?
she has them.
What car's hers?
That one right
Still
there.
right there?
Mm-hmm.
What's your name, dear?
Deshanta.
Spell it for me.
D-A-S-H-A-N-T-A.
And your last name?
The officer is unable to finish gathering statements due to the suspect's erratic behavior.
That's right, young lady. I wouldn't get in that car neither with your child. You did the right thing. You most definitely did the right thing. I wouldn't get in that car neither with me and my child. You did the right thing. Go and let them go and take her away. Get your Uber, whatever you got to get. You did the right thing, young lady. That's right. That's right.
We're gonna have to lift her and pull her into the car. You're gonna get into the vehicle. Do you understand that? Will you stand up like an adult? Will you stand up?
I will get in the car after I talk to my boyfriend. I promise you I will get on there and I will not have any problem.
Get into the vehicle and we'll let you talk to him. You have to get into the car.
Do you have my phone?
Not yet.
Okay then.
We can't until you get up and get in the car.
No. Get
Then
off
you're not
of
getting
me.
your phone.
All right, then.
Walk towards me, baby. Ma'am, stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're being uncoordinated. Get off me. If you break my glasses, it's going to be a loss.
Stand up. Stand up.
If you don't get your big ass up, it's gonna be a problem. So if he break your glasses, it's gonna be a lawsuit. Get your big ass up. Talking about some you waiting for your boyfriend, so you need your boyfriend to act like you got some damn sense. Is that what it is, Bumquisha? Get your big drunk ass up. He break your glasses, it's gonna be a problem. Get your ass up off that ground. Even if the man was there, you wouldn't listen to the boyfriend no damn way. It's just an excuse, as we know. And you wonder why that girl wouldn't get in the car, that young lady wouldn't get in the car with her child. I see why she wouldn't get in that damn car. She said, I'm not getting in the car with you. If you don't talk to my boyfriend, it's going, girl, get your big ass in that damn car and quit playing games.
Stand up.
Where's your officer? Where's your...
Are you an adult?
Yes,
Then stand up and act like one.
Listen.
You're acting like a child. You're under arrest. Stand up.
Get your sergeant. I want your sergeant. Please give me your sergeant.
I don't even know if
I'm
that went
asking
through.
for a sergeant. I'm asking for your commanding officer.
You'll see one when you come into the station. Get up.
No, I just told you I want a commanding officer.
You get nothing until you get into the station.
I'm getting a commanding officer.
No, you're not until you get into the station. Now get up. Get up and get in the car and you'll see one.
Stop touching me. I'm asking you to stop touching me, and then you're being disorderly. Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm asking you to please get off of me, sir.
And I'm asking to do one favor, and that's to get in the vehicle.
What did I ask you?
Okay, I'm going to say it. Y'all go get that big ass crane and get her ass up. Because I see y'all struggling, officers, to try and get her. You know, you need that crane to just, you lift it up like that. It's the truth. Get your big ass up off that damn ground before they go get that damn crane. And this is when we need Officer Cujo. I don't care what nobody say. Officer Cujo need to be in every damn car. Every car. Let Officer Cujo tell it. See them officers over there that get up. Officer Cujo be like, ruff, bum, quit, ruff, bum, quit. She get together. We need Officer Cujo. Officer Cujo. We request Officer Cujo. Let's go.
I asked for one thing, right? I asked for my telephone to talk to my boyfriend because he's on the phone. I asked you a question, and then you told me that I couldn't have the one right that I should have.
You shouldn't get that phone call later.
Listen, and I told you I wanted to talk to my boyfriend now. Yes, if I can have my telephone. Can I have my telephone?
You cannot get your phone until we have you safely in our car. And the first
I'm not getting in the car until my phone is in my possession. And you can hold it while I talk.
You're not talking to anybody on your phone.
Why I can't talk to him? Why?
Talk to anybody yet.
Okay, then where's your sergeant? I want to talk to your sergeant.
Sergeant's going to tell you the same thing, so don't bother.
No, then get him. I don't care if it's wasting your time. Talk to him. Because you're arresting me for nothing. On a Monday night, you're arresting me for nothing.
Yep.
Because I was having a conversation. You felt like you had to butt into my conversation. That's what you had. Where nobody touched you, nobody touched her, and you felt like something was wrong.
Will you get into the car?
After I get on the phone, yes.
We cannot get your phone.
Like I told you, I will calmly get up and get in that car if you literally let me, as you can hold it, talk to my boyfriend. Yes, I will. And I'm also wanting to talk to a lawyer because this is not.
Hold on, I'm getting checked.
Okay.
Okay, I don't know. How did that turn in from one phone call into three? I want to talk to my boyfriend. We can only imagine who the boyfriend is, okay? But, okay. No judgment, all right? But I'm just saying, just use your imagination, all right? Not judging, just use your imagination. So, she want to talk to the boyfriend. She want to talk to the supervisor. And then she want to talk to the her lawyer, okay? They all got... all while laying on this dirty, and I mean dirty ground. All while laying on this dirty ground. Back out. I was thinking I'm going to catch some with all that crap on my skin. Okay. She won 3 phone calls. You don't even get that many phone calls when you get arrested. You only get 1. But you won 3 laying in the middle of the damn gas station. It's so stupid. And I mean, if y'all go get that crane right now.
Okay, get off of me. Get off of me. And what is your name? What is your name?
Matthews.
And what's your name?
Colin Morgan.
Okay. You said Colin?
Colin Morgan.
Colin Morgan? And your name is Matthew?
Matthews.
Okay. I want that to talk to my lawyer about. Because I'm going to tell them that you were
You understand
overly...
we record everything,
No,
right?
it's overly doing it. After nothing. Nobody... Did anybody touch you? I want you to admit this. Did anybody put a hand on you? Excuse me. I'm talking to you. Did anybody put a hand on you? Did I hit you? Did I push you? Did I do anything? No. Did I push you? Did I hit you? Did I do anything?
You were acting disorderly.
Excuse me. Talk to him. Kyle Hagen. Did I push you? Did I hit you? Did I do anything? Excuse me. I'm asking you a question.
What's the problem?
I'm asking you a question. It's a problem because they told me I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Okay.
I literally walked on the street. I'm a black woman walking the street and they're arresting me.
Well, listen, that's what court's for, all right?
You could be white, black, pineapple sauce, mango juice. We don't give a damn. Peppermint patty. We don't care. Get your big ass up. Go to jail. Sober up. And we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? We will see you tomorrow, Bumquisha. Get your big ass up. This don't got nothing to do with no damn race. Stop playing games. Your friend don't even want to be bothered with you, okay? Say that y'all went somewhere, went to the beach or whatever, and you got drunk, didn't want to drive back, whatever. Ain't nobody tripping. You can drink up, I ain't tripping. But when you get to acting like this, yes, it becomes a problem. This don't have nothing to do with race. Get your big ass up and get in that damn car.
If you don't agree with the arrest, then that's what court is for, okay?
That's what court is for? So I should wait till I go to court to tell them that they're wrong for arresting
So
me?
they told you you're under arrest, correct?
No, and they couldn't even tell me what I was under arrest for.
No, you were under arrest.
They told me I was under arrest, but I should be able to ask what I'm under arrest for, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So then when I asked what I was under arrest for, they said disorderly conduct. I said, how was I disorderly? No, but listen. I said, how was I disorderly? They said, oh, you were yelling. So a person having a conversation was yelling?
You're laying on the ground.
Get off of me. No, I'm not relaxing. Get off. No.
Listen to me.
No, I'm not listening to you because are you the arresting officer?
I'm the supervisor.
Supervisor?
Yes, I'm in
You're
charge.
the supervisor.
Yes.
No, I'm not arresting because I just asked for my boyfriend's number. Get off! Get off!
Listen,
Excuse me, get off of me!
Get off!
Resisting. Who is resisting? Get off! I'm having a conversation with the man that's in front of me. Get off of me!
They're gonna shackle you. They're putting the shackles on you. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Get off!
That's happening.
Get off! I want you to get off of me. I want you to get off. I want you to take your hands off of me. Listen, no, I'm not. I don't need no help up. I want them to take their hands off me. Sir, can they get their hands off of me?
Stand up.
No, all right.
Come on. Stand up. Stand up.
Ow. You're twisting my arm. Get off. Get off. Get off. You're hurting me. Excuse me. Get your hands off. Get off. I'm asking you to...
in the car. Get in the vehicle.
Excuse me. I'm asking...
Slide back.
Slide in the car. I'm wrong, right?
Yeah.
But I'm asking you to get your hands off of me.
Slide in the car. Slide in the car.
Listen to me.
Slide in the car.
Listen to me. Get off.
Lift up over the seatbelt.
If you twist my arm, if my arm breaks, I'm going to sue.
This be the main one talking about open the door for me. Open the car door. I want a dozen roses. I want to go to an expensive restaurant. I am such a lady out there acting like a damn fool. These be the main ones that act like they need all that extra stuff. The man got to make 6 figures. He got to wine and dine you. You need roses. You need petals when you walk up to the door. All of that. You need it all. She need it all. And be the main one showing her ass. It's the truth. It could, come to me as like I'm a lady, acting like a bull. I told you, they want you to treat them like these little nice, beautiful, dainty flowers when they act like a damn bull. It don't work that way. You better not tell her she not a lady. What? Oh, I am all of that. Look at her, laying on the damn dirty ass ground of a gas station with a bathing suit top on. Tell me where my boyfriend at. Not my husband, not my fiance, my boyfriend. Your friend don't even want to get in the car with you. With her child. About to go to jail. Ask for the supervisor. Got the supervisor. And she'll be the main one. I promise you. She'll be the main one. Talking about open the door for me. He got to take me out for dinner. He ain't do enough for me. He ain't pay my bills. I'm a lady. Laying on the damn dirty ass ground. But let's finish the video.
I'm going to sue so bad. I'm going to sue. Get off! I just asked you to get off! And you're not listening! Get off! Sir, did I just ask you to get off? Did I ask you not to get off? Did I tell you to get off? Did I say that? But did I say that?
Are you gonna get in the car?
You're not running the show
here. Listen to what they're telling you.
Did I say get off?
Get in the car. Listen, we're beyond you telling them what to do. Move that out of the way.
If my arm breaks,
we are beyond you.
If my arm breaks, I'm suing.
Just pull it. Well, you have an opportunity to sit in the car.
And you're not letting me get. You're not telling me to get off me so I can get up.
Then sit in the car and no get
Okay, but listen.
It doesn't work like that.
Listen, did I just say? But you're standing here. If I run, you're gonna tackle me. So how is this ample opportunity?
You're sitting in the car.
But that's what I'm saying. If I can't
then
run,
sit in the car.
Okay.
When last time y'all think she ran? Because I can already hear y'all in the, my ear is going tick, 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 tick. When last time she ran? When last time she ran? Now you going to run today? I'm just asking a question.
What I'm saying is I can't run, but if my arm breaks and he's pulling it. But if I'm telling him to get off,
is not going to have
let me tell you something. I can't even get up. You're holding my leg and I can't even get up.
If I let you out, where you sit in the car?
What I'm saying is that
There you go.
there's 6 cops
sit in the car.
sitting here in my face.
go. Sit in the car then. No one's touching you. You've gotten what you asked for.
Thank you. I appreciate.
Now sit in the car.
I can't even get up.
Thank you. Alright. Can you put your feet on?
Better?
Seatbelt?
I don't want a seatbelt.
Oh, you gotta wear it.
I don't want a seatbelt.
Now, you see how that works?
No, I don't see how that works.
Well, no,
I don't even see why I'm in this car.
My point is.
I don't even see why I'm in this car.
My point is, as soon as we started acting.
Listen, but once we started acting civil,
That's
we
exactly
gotta.
what I said.
Once we started acting civil, right?
Correct.
But now I'm in the car.
So let's keep that going,
No,
okay?
I'm getting a lawsuit against
That's
you,
fine.
against him, against all of them for even putting me in this car because you felt as though me talking to you like this was wrong, right?
Alright, I'll meet you guys in the station.
I have
Is there anybody
but I have freedom.
After finally placing the suspect in the vehicle, officers head over to grab final statements from witnesses before they head off.
So they were on the phone when y'all pulled up. So that might be what she's asking for, her phone, because he definitely was on the phone.
Okay. Are you guys getting an Uber, you said?
Yeah.
So back to...
Back to Chester. Yeah. That's going to cost us a bit, but we got to do what we got to do. It was a simple, you were intoxicated.
Now, she's
not.
DeShanta said she left you guys at the beach?
Yeah, she left us there because we started walking. She didn't want DeShanta to drive.
Yeah.
DeShanta's not drinking. She have her son with us. Let the girl drive home. That's all it was. No, this is my car. This is my car. We understand it's your car, but you're drunk.
Yeah.
So let's play it out. Driving, traffic, somebody not paying attention, it's a kid in the car, boom, bow. Now whose fault is it? You understand what I'm saying? We're
food poisoning at the board.
and then he get food poisoning, he ate a piece of chicken and started immediately vomiting. We're trying to get him home, and it's just like, bro. Like you leave us at the boardwalk and park here, like, come on, that's
Oh, we was here for a minute. We got here at 7:10
7:10? All right.
because I sent the Uber driver our location from here.
Okay. And then she pulled up...
She was already here when we got here.
Oh, you guys have been here for over an hour?
Yeah. She rolled past us while we was walking up the road. We walked from the boardwalk. It started from the parking lot. I told her that she was intoxicated. She had an argument with both of my friends. And like I got my 4-year-old son out here. We not from out here. We always from Chester, Pennsylvania. So she was very intoxicated. I told her like, I'm not allowing you to drive home with my son in the car. So we got into an argument in the parking lot, and I just walked off. I said, well, I'll find my way home from here since you will not allow me to drive. And I had my son. She was arguing with him. She argued with him. She argued with me. I just walked off. I said, okay, you know what? I'll just walk to the Wawa. Walked to the Wawa. She rolled past us down the road, and she was sitting here. She was sitting here in her car for the longest time. My friend walked over to the car and said, what's the argument for? Kevin, can you get it to him? I'm sorry. Come here. Get it to him. She said, he asked her, what's the argument for? Just let her drive. Anywhere we go, you never drive. She drives home because she be intoxicated. And this time, like we travel all the time together, but I don't travel with my kids with her. So today I traveled with my son with her, and everything just got out of hand. Like she's yelling and screaming and this and that and the third. Now she's trying to fight him. She's trying to fight him. She's trying to fight me. So the one guy from out of the Wawa came to the car, came out and said, "What's going on?" I said, "It's okay. That's my friend. That's my friend. They just having a disagreement." And then the lady came out when me and her got into the altercation. She said, "Don't just calm down. You have your son out here. The police is on his way." Like she's been screaming like this for out over and over. And we just been standing here at the trash can. I set my son up there on the trash can. The lady just gave him soda and everything. Like she's just screaming.
I'm gonna have them wait on the car in case we have to take that. Just let me know.
Yeah, if you want to take a key, get her phone and the key, shut it off. It's still running, I believe.
Accusing? To ask questions about why I'm bringing her back to the cop car.
You're under arrest.
Oh, for what?
Disorderly conduct and
Disorderly conduct.
it looks like DUI too.
DUI?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do I have a DUI? I wasn't back in the car. Excuse me. Hello? Do I have a right to ask questions? Do I have a right to ask questions? Am I being ignored?
Yes.
From the cops that arrested me? Are you my arresting officer?
Hey, can you
suspect was arrested for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Unfortunately, due to no officers being present to witness her operating a motor vehicle, they were not able to charge her with a DUI.
That young lady did exactly what she was supposed to do. She was not supposed to get in that car, especially with her, the gentleman, the baby. She did exactly what she was supposed to do. She was trying to help it. It did not have to turn into that, but she was drinking, acting a damn fool. That young lady did the right damn thing. I can understand why she didn't get the DUI, because nobody was there to see her actually drive, even though they said she was driving. I guess the cop had to be there. Whatever. But I don't know if they're going to be friends too much no more. And that's unfortunate, because friends don't let friends drive drunk. So she tried to help her. They went to the beach, had a good time. You heard the whole story. Would you still be friends with your friend? Depends on what kind of friends we were. Maybe she just had an off day. I don't know. I don't know if we'd be the same, but I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this one in the comment section, okay? My name is Johnny. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and I'll see you in the comment section. Bye.